Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have what matters: account credentials and the payment method on file. Once signed in, go directly to your profile or account settings. Don't linger on unrelated menus. You're doing this to stop recurring charges, so make sure you're on the account tied to the subscription. If you use multiple emails, confirm the correct one now. Next, open subscription or membership. That's where the cancel controls live, and prepare to select the active plan. Once in subscriptions, find the active VIX premium entry and tap Manage or Details. This is the critical middle step where the option appears. Select Cancel Subscription or turn off auto-renewal and read any notices about access remaining until period end. If asked why, pick a reason. It won't block cancellation. Make sure to click every confirmation button. Sometimes a secondary prompt completes the action. After confirming, expect an email receipt of cancellation. Keep that for your records. You're nearly done. Confirm by checking your inbox for a cancellation email and verifying the next billing date shows no upcoming charge. If you subscribed through Apple or Google, cancel inside that store instead of VIX. Those systems control billing. Once canceled, you can delete the app and remove saved cards for safety. If you don't get confirmation or charges continue, contact VIX support with the email and screenshots. That usually resolves disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.